Hey there, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what you need to do today to attract more money into your life. And the Justice card came through. This card hasn't come through for a while and it's all about balance here, guys. And it's all about balancing the masculine and feminine energies, for starters, and the logical and the emotional side of yourself. So it's about making decisions around money that are more logical than emotional, okay? So you might have a decision to make about spending money, for example, and you might be all emotional about it. Oh my God, I'm going to run out of money. I don't need to pay this. Da, da, da. Or you can be more logical and be like, but this is beneficial for me and this will be a really good decision. And taking the emotion out of it. Because sometimes when we make the emotional decisions, they're not the right ones for our life. And when we can be a little bit more logical about it, right, we can be more centered in ourselves and more grounded and more balanced. That way we're making decisions that are more in alignment with what we want to create and not so, emotional and taking us to places that we really just don't need to go. And usually we'll be over emotional when, our fight or flight response is activated and we're in that kind of state and then we can't think logically. So this is all about balancing that, balancing the left and right hemispheres of the brain, and the male and the female. Now the male is more logical, female is more emotional. So in this scenario, we are accessing more of the logical male side of ourselves, okay? And then when we are making decisions from that space, that is going to help us attract more money in. So we need the emotional side to step aside just for a moment while we make logical decisions in regards to money so we can bring more of it into our lives. Okay, that's it for today. So let me know if this has been helpful. Like it so I know you're liking it and I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I do upcoming readings and videos. And yeah, let me know in the comments if it's resonated and whether you've been too emotional and you need to be more logical, and what logical decisions are you making today in regards to money. Alrighty, see ya.